My name's Gary Todd. I'm owner of Happy Rock Landscape Maintenance here in Gladstone for the last 15 years, and I'm a veteran-owned business. Services we provide at Happy Rock are mowing, edging, pruning, trimming, maintaining flower beds. We plant, we overseed, we do big cleanups and bark dusting, and that's primarily what we do. Right now, currently, most of our accounts are in Gladstone, Oregon City, Milwaukee, and we have some accounts also in Portland. At Coastal, a lot of the stuff that we get there is fertilizer and weed control, uniform stuff. We get a lot of our Carhartts from there, and work gloves, all that kind of stuff we get from Coastal. Coastal's always there for me. I mean, one time we had an issue with our trailer lights, and I needed a certain part, and I was able to get it there and get out quickly and efficiently. It was very nice. They were very good to me. My name's Gary Todd, and happy mowing.